Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, we will be discussing something about logical operators and what they are. In Python, there are three types of logical operators. One is AND, or, and not. So let's discuss about AND. AND is nothing but logical AND. So what it is that if both the operands are true, then the condition becomes true. And in OR, if any of the operand are true, then the condition becomes true. And in not is used to reverse the logical state of its operand. Now let's see for an example. Let's declare four variables j. Now let's use this logical operators. So as comparison operators, logical operators also return Boolean value, that is true or false. So let's run this. See in here, and so what I was telling about and is if both the operands are true, then the condition becomes true. Now let's see if these both are true or not. Is A is greater than B? A is 10, B is 5. So yes, A is greater than B. So this is true. Let's check for this. C, is C greater than D? Yes. So they both are true. So and hence it have returned a true Boolean value. Now let's see about this. So what or are, if any of the operands are true, it becomes true. Let's see. Is A greater than B? Yes, A is greater than B. 10 is greater than 5. Or D greater than C? D is not greater than C because D is 1 and C is 2. So this is false. But we are using OR operator. So if any operand becomes true, if any condition becomes true, then it gives true value. So and hence this line have returned true. So let's see about not. So as we discuss what not are used to reverse the logical states of its operand. So is A greater than B? A is greater than B. Yes. So it is true. But here not. What not does, it reverse the logical state. So it have shown false in the console. So that's it for today. We are done with logical operators. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you all.